Hi guys, welcome to Fitoholics Fit Talk. And today we are not going to talk about any transformation journey. In fact, we are going to talk about the present condition, that is Corona. And we know that there are a lot of people who are not able to start their fitness journey or resume or continue because the gyms are closed or they themselves have been hit by Corona. So today we have some of the family members of Fitoholic family who are there with us, and they will be talking about their Corona experience. Yes, it was a bad experience for all of us, for them also, but they are now all fine and they have resumed the workouts and their fitness regime. So let's hear it from them that how it was. Hope it motivates all of you. We have the first speaker with us. His name is Manoj Sharma and he is from Lucknow. So I would request Manoj to please start.
Hello everyone, this is Manoj Sharma.
It was a bad experience for all of us, for them also, but they are now all fine and they have resumed the workouts and their fitness regime. So let's hear it from them that how it was. Hope it motivates all of you. We have the first speaker with us. His name is Manoj Sharma and he is from Lucknow. So I would request Manoj to please start.
Hello everyone, this is Manoj Sharma. So, COVID was like an accident to me. It just happened. By the time COVID happened, I was in the perception COVID is not there. It doesn't exist. And I was in market in a normal way. If I talk about my workout regimes, I was not doing anything other than just walking some 6 to 7,000 steps a day. That too was not very regular. And one fine day, I decided I need to be serious about my health, and I started my bit for like home workouts with my mom. And second day, I started getting my COVID symptoms. And maybe the virus was there, existing in my body for 3-4 days, and I had to break my workout. Then COVID did get lots of weakness. Was next high fever. It was like my highest was 102.5. My complete family was down with COVID. One thing which I found with COVID was one need to have on good diet. For example, I was not in eggs when I got COVID. From the day one started eggs and paneer for complete family because of high protein diet. Then I had an experience of dengue 2 years back, during which I already faced extreme weakness. I knew what is extreme weakness is, where even 5-6 stairs will make you weak and you'll feel like lying down. So, but one thing I knew was I will get my strength back, as it happened in dengue. During dengue, sometimes I used to feel that was something a new experience for me. I used to feel, will I ever get my strength back or not? But in COVID again, this time I had an assurance that it should come back. I just kept my food on track, medicines. I didn't go through any extreme experience of oxygen or any atmosphere, but by God grace, everything was fine. Symptoms were there with high fever. Weakness continued till 15th day after I was tested negative. I started my workout after 15th day. By 30th day, I felt I was completely normal, and now I am back to my bit for like home workouts with my mom, and on my way to getting fit.
Thank you so much, Manoj. Thank you so much. I'm sure your experience will help a lot of people. So Manoj just started his fitness journey. Next day, he messaged me that he's having high fever, and then we got the reports, so he was positive. We have another member. We have another Fitoholic family member. His name is Ankit. He's from Meerut, and let's hear about his journey, how it has been with the journey of defeating the virus. Hi Ankit, welcome.
Hi Mahima, good to join here. So I started my health journey sometimes 1.5 months prior to COVID, and it was going really good, and the progress was good, and I was quite happy with the diet changes that Mahima had made. And then I got hit with COVID and I was infected, though I had very mild symptoms, but COVID caused me a lot of weakness. and I couldn't kind of gain my strength, and it took me 2 weeks almost to gain back my strength. And honestly speaking, I didn't have the mental strength, let alone the physical strength, to rejoin these sessions. But the way Mahima conducts the session, it kind of motivated me, and I was also looking for a further target of reducing my weight and have a better body. Then I rejoined, though there were few hiccups, but then Mahima guided me really nicely. She gave me a protein-rich diet, and then I had the protein-rich diet. I did miss a few sessions, but now I'm back on track, and it's been 2 weeks of continuous sessions, and I have gained a lot of strength, physical and mental both, and I'm feeling a lot better. Uh, with respect to the diet, I'm just getting better, and the kind of changes Mahima brings in the diet, it kinds of make you feel full all the time and really helps you gain the strength. Also, I have been covering nearly 6 to 7,000 steps when I started, and I reached a peak of 15,000. But when I got infected with COVID, everything went into. I mean, I didn't undertake any steps during the day, but then it gradually started. And as I said, the physical strength was not there, so I kind of picked up the strength from 6 to 8 to 10, and now I've kind of reached 12 or 15,000 steps a day. But I still, because of the COVID thing, the physical strength is not in 100% shape, and it might just take a week or two to gain back my real strength. So I kind of do the a number of steps in tranches like 3 or 4, and that kind of helps. So it's always good. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to join back after COVID, but it's really nice to gain back the physical strength and the mental strength even after COVID.
Thank you so much, Ankit. I'm sure this is very encouraging. So, like starting from 6,000 steps and going up to, I mean, his activity level earlier was not that great, but then he has put in a lot of effort, and he got into a very highly active lifestyle, and that was giving him results also. After COVID, again, it came back to zero, but he picked up very nicely. Thank you so much, Ankit. Uh, I'm sure your story will also inspire many. Now we have with us Amit Prakash. You all have already seen him on Fit Talks, where he spoke about his amazing transformation journey. Uh, he was working out, he was fit, everything was fine. वो कहते हैं ना कि fit लोगों को COVID नहीं होता. So I think that's also a myth. It hits, but yes, if you have better health, it doesn't creates a lot of problems. The symptoms are not that high. So let's hear it from Amit. How was his experience?
Thanks a lot, Naima, for giving me opportunity to share my post-COVID experience. Like you have already said, I had been on my fitness journey since last 6 months, and I was on a proper diet. I used to work out, keep myself healthy, and then to ensure that I have proper immunity. But it's since some things are inevitable, so is COVID infection as well. Right? So I got COVID around 16th of April, and I was there in isolation for almost 18-20 days. But since I knew what kind of diet I had to take, and I need to have more proteins to kind of keep myself going and not allow the weakness to get over me. So I kept doing that, and then post-COVID, I would say not much of a difference happened. In fact, I gained a little bit of weight, 1 kg kind of weight I gained post-COVID. But I would say the biggest battle which happened post-COVID was I was on cold medication which used to cure my cold. So even after COVID, I had cold, and I had to take cetirizine at night. Right? Even though I could sleep for 7 hours, it was really difficult for me to wake up in the morning. So every day I do a battle of this 2 minutes when my phone alarm rings, and I actually have to decide whether I have an option of going back and sleeping again for 2 hours, or I kind of break that barrier and go for workouts. Kind of at times 1 or 2 days I lost the struggle, but now I'm back on track, and I am equally motivated enough to overcome this weakness. And now I am fit and fine, and you can see that I'm back on my pre-COVID shape.
Yeah.
So that's all. Thanks a lot to you, Mahima. You have always been a constant inspiration, and I think we all of us go to be Footaholic, right? It's like a cultural, change which you have brought in our mindset that it's not important to go to gym to kind of get into shape. You can do that staying at home within your premises, and then by following the COVID protocols. So thanks a lot to you, and then I'm sure that by watching us, not many other people will also get inspired, and they will also embark their journey of staying fit and fine.
Thank you so much, Amit. Thank you so much for always being so nice to us. Yes, it is good to see everybody coming back. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching us. I'm sure soon we'll come back something more inspirational like this. And I'm damn sure that this talk of our COVID recovered Be Fitaholic family members will help you start your journey or to continue your journey. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you, Ankit. And thank you, Amit.